Friends, we've all been there where you have a box and you need it shorter, and then it would be the perfect box. Maybe you just need a couple inches off and it'll help you save your money. Today I'm here to show you how you can take a box from this to this with just 2 tools that make it super easy with using 2 tools. This is a box resizer and a box cutter. If you do not have a box resizer and you're a reseller, if you only sell clothes, you probably don't need this. And what you want to do, now you're going to do this on the inside of the box, but I'm just going to show you on the outside so that you can see. But you want to, this is adjustable. So if you know how many inches you need to go down, it does show you different inch size. So you adjust it to where you want. Or if you don't know the inch size, just, you'll again do this on the inside, but this hangs over the box like this, and then decide where you want the box, how much shorter you want. So let's say I want the box that's shorter. So what you're gonna do on the inside is you're gonna hook this and go across like this. And it has this blade here, and it's not going to cut the box, but it's going to give a perforation. So, like that, and then I'm just going to go up. And what you want to do is you do need to put some force behind it. You attach this to the lid and use this handle to go like that. Sometimes I just have to go once, and sometimes I have to go more than once. So you want to do that on all 4 sides. And set that down. So now we have, well, it's hard to see, but there is a perforated line. And let me say hello and welcome back if you're returning, and welcome if you are new. My name is Staci, and I have been reselling online for over 13 years. It's been a while. My main platform is eBay, but I also do sell on Posh, Mercari, and a tiny bit on Bonanza during the holidays on Etsy. But yes, if you want reselling tips, then make sure you are hitting that subscribe button and joining me here every Sunday. If you have any questions on reselling on any of those platforms, please leave me a comment down below. I'm going to take your box cutter and in the corners, cut down to your perforated line. So yeah, I'm just going to the corner, and you want to do it from the inside so you can see your line. Just cut down. Safety first, put your blade back in so you don't cut yourself. So now each side can come down. So what you want to do is, so then you want to, now sometimes it's not, you have to kind of push it a little bit to get it on the perforation. If you just go like that, it doesn't always. So again, just push it down. Sometimes I like to hold on the inside here where it is and just see, push that down. Push that down. So depending on how short you make the box, really what I could do here, see how that is overlay? I could cut right here and cut that flap off because there's enough that I don't really need that. And normally I don't need to cut like tape around the corners unless I've gone a little too far. Sometimes then I'll tape around the corners, but I just like to tape here. Sometimes I go overboard with tape here and then here. So I do use a little bit more tape sometimes when I do this, but it usually saves the money on the shipping. So easy peasy. Let me know. This has been, I don't want to be over dramatic and say lifesaver, because it's not that, you know, but it has, okay, it's been a money saver for sure, because there's been times where I just need the box. Even sometimes, you know what I'm talking about if you have shipped something kind of large, where just a couple inches can make a difference. And this has really helped. I kind of held out on getting it because I was like, well, can't I just use, you know, scorer? But no, just get this. It's much easier. I will have all the information listed down in the description box. And yeah, short video. Another tool, if you are a reseller, that you must have on your phone is Google Images. It can help you save time so much. You can check out that in this video here. It's just a quick, short one. And yeah, if you want to know any other reselling tips, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions of things that you would like me to cover.